You know, Shanna, an interesting article came across my eyes in my research. The title of the article is this. It's a question. Is buying stocks when the S&P 500 hits a new all-time high a smart strategy? And then it answers itself. History provides a clear answer. So the article suggests that it is, in fact, a smart strategy to make investments when the S&P 500 hits record highs, noting that high stock prices tend to make people skittish about investing in stocks due to fears that the markets will reverse. But this particular article actually says that it's a great time to put extra money in the market. The article reasons that, quote, one all-time high typically leads to another in short order. Very interesting. Shanna, what's your opinion for us on this strategy? What wisdom would you have for us?
Well, if you look at what the market's done this year, it's hit over 30 new highs this year.
Wow.
So
Yeah.
that seems to confirm what they're saying there, that one high leads to another. Now, eventually, the market does tend to correct, and corrections are very, very common, and they shouldn't really be feared. So what would I say to this is, don't really get into trying to time the market, use a reasonable approach. We recommend dollar cost averaging. So, splitting up your money, deploying money regularly into your portfolio is a great way to smooth out volatility over the long term. And then what I would say is just keep your emotions in check. Try to inoculate yourself the best way that you typically not a fan of vaccines, but I don't know if there's a vaccine for FOMO, but if there is, that's probably one that I would recommend.
There you go. Yep.
Well, we won't even go down that.
We're appeasing our YouTube overlords right now. We're pro the vaccine against FOMO. Anyway.
Yeah. So FOMO, of course, is fear of missing out.
Yep.
And so as the market hits all new highs, that excitement builds, that it continues. And then, I've talked to so many people over the years that have just really had bad investment experiences. They say, I invested when the market was high. The market over time, if you look at a chart, the market's always making new highs. So that should not necessarily be something to scare you away from investing. Just take a level-headed approach to it.